BSc Part 2 and respected listener, a very good afternoon and welcome all of you to today's lecture. Dear student, let us proceed this unit 3 title as that is of chemical equilibrium selected from BSc Part 2 paper 3 physical chemistry. The title I will deliver today, the lecture on that is of Clapeyron equation. It is very fundamental, it is very amazing and outstanding topic selected, Clapeyron equation. I will deliver the lecture on that is a Clapeyron equation, which is chosen from BSc Part 2 paper 3 physical chemistry, selected from that is the unit 3 chemical equilibrium. Let us try to know, let us try to describe about that is of Clapeyron equation. What do you mean by Clapeyron equation? How does it help to explain the various thermodynamic quantities here? Clapeyron, that is the famous sciences, dear students. In order to explain the various concepts regarding thermodynamically energy, various state variable parameter, Clapeyron equation gives us necessarily fundamental important information about such substance which is present in that is of two phases. I mean to say here, Clapeyron equation is mainly concerned to give us about thermodynamic information for those substances which is present in that is of two different state also. In order to explain about Clapeyron equation, let us try to select, let us try, I am assuming here a system in which 1 mole of liquid is filled here. In first one phase it is present in that is of liquid phase. Now keeping pressure and that is of temperature in reversible condition, now this liquid is now converted into that is of vapor phase. In vapor phase, its volume that is of V2 here. In such a position for the conversion, keeping pressure and temperature, the required work done, it will be known as that is a W is equals to P V2 minus that is of V1, keeping pressure as a constant here. Say that is of equation number 1. Now that is of using first law of TD, the fundamental equation here, that is of first law of TD here, that is of du is equals to delta Q minus delta W here. In unit 1 BSc Part 2 thermodynamic 1 in depth form, in detailed form, we have explained about that is of first law of TD, which is mainly concerned the principle of energy. Energy cannot be destroyed, nor can be produced here, but it can be converted from one state to the another one state. So I mean to say that is on using that is of this one fundamental equation, by changing, by replacing the its that is of notations, du is equals to del E, one can write here, delta Q absorbed heat, one can write that is of L that is of latent heat of vaporization, delta W one can replace as that is of W, to D is equals to delta Q minus delta W one can write in the form of del is equals to L minus W. L is the L denote here that is of latent heat of vaporization. Now differentiate equation number 1 with respect to temperature, keeping pressure as a constant here. dW is upon T is equals to V2 minus V1 dP upon dt. Say equation number 3. But in equation number 4, using Gibbs Helmholtz equation, we have explained, I have delivered GH equation in unit second, TD second, that W plus del E is equals to T delta dW upon dt. Say equation number 4, it is Gibbs Helmholtz equation. In compact form, one can say GH equation. GH equation means that is of Gibbs Helmholtz equation. I pick directly, I am writing here directly from unit second, title is thermodynamics second, Gibbs Helmholtz equation. I am using here two types of the equation directly here. That is first one, two types of the equation I am writing it directly. First law of TD from TD1 unit 1, and second one that is of Gibbs Helmholtz equation I am writing here, I pick here from that is of unit second, title is that is of thermodynamic second here. Directly I am using here first law of TD, and that is first law of TD, and that is the second of Gibbs Helmholtz equation, W plus del is equals to delta W dt. Said that is the equation number 4. Now put down the value del A and dW upon T from equation number 2, and that is of equation number 1, in that is of equation number that is of 4 here. Here W will be cancelled by that W plus L minus W is equals to T V2 minus V1 dP upon dt. W will be cut by that is of W. The rest quantity L is equals to T into V2 minus V1 dP upon dt. On solving, dP upon dt is equals to L upon T V2 minus V1. Say equation number 5. Generally L one can write, L can be replaced by that is of del H here, because here we convert here one phase liquid into that is of vapor phase, so it becomes essential. Latent heat of vaporization can be written, can be changed, can be converted into the form of heat of transition. Heat of or enthalpy of transition here in our previous lecture, conversion of one state to the another one state, required heat is known as that is of heat of that is of transition here. So liquid phase I am going to convert into that is the vapor phase. So it becomes essential by the fundamental rules of thermodynamically. L one can write that is of del H. Hence complete equation dP upon dt is equals to del H upon T into V2 minus V1. It is known as that is a Clapeyron equation. Dear students of BSc part 2, once again dP upon dt is equals to del H upon T V2 minus V1. It is known as Clapeyron equation, which is beneficial to solve the numerical problem in physical chemistry. You know various examination, previous examination regarding to that is a Clapeyron equation, various numerical set. In the coming timings we will solve the numerical based on that is a Clapeyron equation. But once again I repeat about the important concept, important postulate of Clapeyron equation. Clapeyron equation is mainly concerned and it gives us access and necessarily fundamental equation about the substance which is present in two different state. Rest we will solve the numerical based on Clapeyron equation. Thank you very much.